Hi, calculator paper does not mean easy marks. Every year, students lose GCSE math marks because they type the calculation wrongly. Not because they cannot do the math, because they press the wrong buttons. In this video, I'm going to show you the calculator questions that appear again and again in GCSE exams and the mistakes that cost students marks every single year. Question 1. Square root 1.69 equals. Right, we have a fraction. Click Format. Final answers 1.3. Question 2. 1.25 squared is here, equals, again, format, final answers 1.5625. Question 3. Square root 1.96 times 2.25 equals, format, 2.1. Final answer. Question 4. Oh, sorry. Question 4. 1.3 squared plus 1.4 squared equals, format, 3.65. Final answer. Question 5. Question 5. Brackets 3.15 minus 0.28 brackets squared minus 4.076 equals, final answers 4.1609. Question 6. Click fraction, top, 3.15 plus 2.8 squared. Then use this arrow, move to denominator, 2.06 equals, format. So the final answer is 5.334 951456. Question 7. It's a fraction, so click fraction. Top, 25.4 plus 1.9 to the power of 3. Right, I find just the button with index and now put 3 there. Then I move to the denominator, use this arrow, and 6.5 equals 4.962923077. Done. Question 8. Again, that is fraction. Click fraction. Then on the top, square root and 12.36 minus 5.12. Move to denominator, arrow, and then 2.97 squared equals 0.3050397136. We're told, task B, correct two decimal places. Right, two decimal places, 30, but we have to look at the following digit. It is 5, so we have to round up. Final answer is 0.31. Question 9. Square root. Then it is a fraction. On the top, 25.1. Take away 3.87. Then move to the bottom, arrow, and we have the 5.23 plus 2.04 equals 1.708865145. Done. Question 10. 30.5 squared, use the button squared, plus 12.1 squared, again squared. Answer, we have to format, and the final answer is 1076.66. Task B, square root, (5.13) plus 10.28 minus, oops, my fault, I need to leave the square root, so I use this arrow, and then I put minus 0.97 equals 2.955557285. Done. Question 11. Square root 12 squared, button squared, plus 15 squared, take away 54 cosine, you already have one bracket, 80 bracket, answer 18.96372849. Question 12. First of all, click fraction. Top. Sine, one bracket's already open, 25 brackets plus cosine 40 brackets, move down, cosine in brackets 25 brackets minus sine 40 brackets. Answer 4.510708504. Two decimal places again. So two decimal places 51. Following digit is 0. So we don't have to round up. Final answer is 4.51. Done. Question 13. Okay. First of all, I will click square root. Then we have fraction. Click fraction. Top. Tangent 80. Brackets. Add 1. Use arrow to move to the denominator. Tangent 80. Bracket. Take away 1 equals 1.195051466. Three significant figures. It is 1.19, but we have to have a look at the following digit. It is 5, so I have to round up. So the final answer will be 1.20. If you write just 1.2 without 0, you will lose this mark. If you're told three significant figures, there should be 3 digits in answer. Right. Question 14. So obviously it is fraction. I click fraction. So top is 12.74. Add square root 9.5. Move to the bottom. 6.04 times 4.1 equals 0.6389196819. So task B, two significant figures. So it is 0.63. Write 0 we don't take into account. Look at the following digit. It is 8, so I have to round up. So the final answer will be 0.64. Right, that's it. Remember, in GCSE Math, you are not tested on how expensive your calculator is. You're tested on whether you know how to use it. Learn these skills once, and they will save you marks in every calculator paper you will ever sit. Subscribe, and I will help you keep those marks.